How's it going, everybody? This is Cryptokingjay back with another video. I want to start it off by letting you know that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So let's get into it. Let's get into some Bitcoin news, some crypto news. I shouldn't say Bitcoin news because this is a cryptocurrency market, not the Bitcoin market. So if you did watch my last video, should already be uploaded by now. We were already talking about how the markets are up across the board today. Bitcoin, wow, Bitcoin dominance. Okay, yeah, I was just gonna say it went down to 45% for a second, but let's look at the news. So the first thing we're gonna go over is Starbucks and Bach and how they are integrating together, and basically what this is gonna mean for the market, for the the future of crypto. So let me just get into the article. I'm gonna leave the links to everything in the description below this video. So report, Starbucks to integrate digital asset payment in stores. So Starbucks has received a significant portion of equity in Bach despite not being a cash investor. Bach, which is owned by Intercontinental Exchange, is a service for people and institutions to seamlessly buy, sell, store, and spend digital assets. The amount of equity given to Starbucks is unknown, but sources say that it is disproportionately high given that they did not make a cash investment. So, in return, Starbucks is now heavily investing in creating a card and app that will seamlessly allow it to serve as one of Bach's first merchants on their platform, which will allow customers to pay with digital assets reported by the block. So all digital assets will be converted to fiat in order to reduce volatility and keep the assets off of Starbucks books. So what does this mean? I mean, just imagine how big Starbucks is, how just at this moment while I'm making this video, how many transactions that are occurring in all the Starbucks worldwide. Imagine if all of those Starbucks are now introducing Bitcoin and crypto to, their millions and millions of customers. That's going to be huge for the market. It's very similar to how, the new Samsung phone is going to have a crypto wallet put on there. Just, the same way, they have these other apps already on their platform. This just opens up the market and just opens up crypto in general to millions, literally millions of people. And that's the only thing that can do for the market is, help it go in the direction that, me and I'm sure you watching this video want it to go. Because the more adoption, the more money in the market, the higher the prices go, and, the richer we get over here. So back in August of 2018, Starbucks Vice President of Partnerships and Payment, Maria Smith, gave a written statement about the company's plans with Bach. So this is a full year ago. As a flagship retailer, Starbucks will play a pivotal role in developing practical, trusted, and regulated applications for consumers to convert their digital assets into US dollars for use at Starbucks. As a leader in mobile pay to our more than 15 million, let me just say that again, 15 million. I was saying a couple million. They're already saying right here, they have 15 million people using their mobile payment. So Starbucks innovation for expanding payment options for our customers. Bach is also working with the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission to launch futures contracts that are physically backed by Bitcoin, as well as with Microsoft to utilize cloud solutions to allow people to use digital assets on a global network to enter the retail consumer markets. So this is huge, guys. This is huge news. I'm sure, this is all over YouTube now. This is all over, the crypto Twitter sphere. This is huge news. This is just another domino in this whole, basically, row of dominoes falling to get us to the point where Bitcoin, is going to be worth, $500,000, $1 million a coin. So that's what I have for this article. So let's move into the next, because this personally affects me. This is the only reason why I even looked it up today. So this is about Cryptopia. So, I have 2 different Cryptopia wallets to them for, like 2-3 months now. All right, no, not 2-3 months, really about 2-3 months. So back in January, Cryptopia was hacked for $16 million. So I'm really hoping, for me personally, that doesn't affect me, because I know that most of the crypto that was stolen was Ethereum, and I had absolutely no Ethereum on Cryptopia, just a bunch of kind of shit coins, honestly. That's where I bought Pat Coin and whatnot, and all these other shit coins. But let's get into this article. So Cryptopia, a New Zealand-based cryptocurrency exchange that was hit by hackers in the second week of January 2019, relaunched their website after almost a month. The exchange tweeted that their site will be live, but it will be in read-only mode, basically meaning that users will only be able to check their balance. So can't do anything. You know, the site is alive, but you can't trade, you can't withdraw your money. So it's kind of just a shit show, honestly. And you know, this article, it's kind of funny because, you know, I was reading this and I was about to go log in, or, you know, try to go log in, and then I came across this article. So let's get into it once this loads up. So New Zealand hacked cryptocurrency exchange announced that they were planning to open their site, but they're actually basically postponing it because, like I said, right now they're just in read-only mode. Basically means nothing. You can't do anything. So let me see. There was one part of this. Okay, so the hacking of the cryptocurrency exchange, this is good news, has also promoted the founders of Cryptopia to return. In a tweeted statement, the crypto exchange announced that Adam Clark and Rob Dawson would be making a comeback. Further to our news yesterday, we are pleased to announce the return of both of our founders, Adam Clark and Rob Dawson, back into Cryptopia. Their focus will be to set a clear strategic direction moving forwards. More updates to come. So really, I'm just hoping that they get this shit all sorted out because, I mean, you know, I only have about, I think, $200 in there, but you know, it's still my money. You know, I want my money. So that's the Cryptopia news. Hopefully they can get everything sorted out rather quickly. It's already been, you know, about 3 months now. Or really 2 months now, but hopefully they can get everything sorted. So the next thing I wanted to touch on was this Bitcoin, the bullish Bitcoin news. So Bitcoin weekly histogram at its highest point since the coin reached the $13,000 mark. So Bitcoin has been trading well below its 2017 price, with its value also falling considerably due to the crypto winter. Despite bearish claims, however, the moving average divergence line, the MACD, which indicates long-term momentum differences in a wide array of assets, including cryptocurrencies, is showing positive signs for the top cryptocurrency. This could indicate a possible escape from the coin from the bear market. The weekly histogram bullish signs haven't been since the close of January 2018, when Bitcoin's trading at over $13,000. So we know, you know, January 2018, January, March 2018, you know, January through March, that was a, you know, big time for the crypto market as a whole. So the bullish signs projected that the MACD line were even more surprising because the histogram has been red for a long time. So following the Bitcoin Cash hard fork, Bitcoin dropped below the $6,000 mark, setting off a collapse. But soon the market cap dropped by over $120 billion in a month, reaching a low of $100 billion in December. So Bitcoin's price boomed to 4,200 on February 24th for the first time since the close of January, signaling an imminent bull run. However, the coin soon ran out of steam, and BTC dipped below $4,000 within 24 hours with no prominent price increases. So right now, I'm pretty sure, I know Bitcoin's under $4,000 right now. Let's see, right now, I believe it's sitting at about 39,000. So that is very positive signs. Once, you know, any Bitcoin anywhere from, I'd say, you know, 3750 to 4,000, close to 4,000, that's positive signs for Bitcoin right now, because 4,000 is, you know, a really big psychological level for the market. I mean, even for me personally, once I see Bitcoin over 4,000, I know that something's going to happen to the other alts. So this is a good sign for Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in general, because if Bitcoin booms, the market booms. If Bitcoin goes up, all the alts are going up, besides the, you know, really, really bad coins that shouldn't even be on the market. So good sign, guys. So the last piece of news I wanted to go over was this Tron Tron launch of their own stablecoin. So Tron partners with Tether USDT to launch its own stablecoin, the TRC20 based USDT. So Tron's aim to push cryptocurrencies into the mainstream realm was made evident several times by the sheer number of updates and developments released by the foundation. The latest such update is that the Justin Sun-led company is going to tie up with Tether, the 7th largest cryptocurrency, to release its own stablecoin. Justin Sun, the CEO of the Tron Foundation, tweeted, "We are making big steps to achieve decentralized finance with Tether. Tron will soon have its own stablecoin. This will benefit our entire ecosystem and make it easier for institutions to access the Tron blockchain." The Tron Foundation also made an official announcement stating Tron is partnering with Tether, officially introducing USDT into the Tron blockchain. This integration will evaluate our DApp ecosystem, increase DEX liquidity, and enhance accessibility for partners and institutional investors. TRX BTT. So this is big news. I mean, in my opinion, this is big news because Tron really has been making moves. Tron's been making big boy moves. I mean, from the launch of BTT, which, of course, I believe started off as a scam with, their whole snafu with the, 500 or so people can buy it. I mean, I would set an alarm for like 4 a.m. my time to wake up to buy it. And, I couldn't, just like a lot of people did. But then, of course, I made double my money back once I was able to buy it since it went up so much and I sold it. So that was good. But Tron has been making big moves. They're partnering up with Binance, they're partnering up with BitTorrent, they're partnering up with USDT. Justin Sun, whether you love him or hate him, this guy's making moves. He knows what he's doing, and he's a hustler. So, me personally, I'm all for it. I'm invested in Tron, and most of my trading I do with USDT, just because it's stable. So, big news, guys. So that's all I got for this video. Like I said, I'm going to leave the links to everything in the description below this video. If you enjoyed the content, if you enjoy, hearing me talk about crypto, then of course subscribe to the channel. Leave some comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. But this is okay. And I'm out.